KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Vietnamese style beef noodle soup. This is easy, takes a bit of time, but it is so tasty. And of course we want nice fresh ingredients. I've got some yakiniku type beef there. I've got some dried Asian mushrooms, noodles, bit of bok choy, some spring onions, some stock. I've got a whole bunch of stuff that's going to go into this. Right, one saucepan. We're going to leave this nice and cold for a bit, and first thing I'm going to do is add in 4 cups of beef stock, and make sure you spill it all over the bench, otherwise you're not doing it right. Add another pre-prepared stock, which is a little bit more intense. It's around about another 2 cups worth. A star anise or 2 that can go straight in as well. Right, and a good glug of fish sauce, probably around about a 1/4 cup's worth that can go in. Alright, good squeeze of lemongrass paste. If you've got fresh lemongrass, you can put a splash of that in there as well. Around about 2 tablespoons worth of a good quality soy sauce, and a piece of dried citrus peel. You can get that from your local Asian supermarket. Get that onto a bit of heat and just get things happening for a while. I've got 2 carrots that I've finely cut, they can go in, and about 2 spring onions which I've just sliced up, they can go in. I'm just going to let that cook for a few hours. In the meantime, I'm going to make up some little bit of a pickling liquid. Soy sauce, fish sauce, equal amounts of just a couple of drops of sesame oil that can go in. I'm also going to add in mirin, right? As I said, equal parts that goes in, and of course some rice wine vinegar that goes in. Give that a little bit of a mix through, just like that. Mrs. KP has already boiled up some 3.5-minute eggs. Just check your little sauce for tasting. Those eggs have been boiled, cooled down, peeled. They're going to go into a little Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. Turn them from time to time. We're going to do a quick version of this. We're going to leave that for around about 2.5 hours. You could leave that up to 3 days to get a real intense flavour and colour on your eggs. Right, off they go into the refrigerator. Just turn those every half an hour or so, and those eggs are going to go into amazing colour. As you can see, our stock is really coming along nicely. Our mushrooms we soaked in some water, and they're like shiitakes and woody fungus and all that sort of thing. And put that liquid in as well as your mushrooms. Let those soak off for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Right, we've put in some stalks of bok choy, and it's already gone in. Now we're going to put in our greens, and that soup has been cooking for around about 5 hours in total, just nice and low and slow. Bean sprouts, some rice noodle that goes straight in, and here's my favourite bit, some yakiniku cut beef. You can get that from your Asian supermarket. Even some of our more mainstream supermarkets are starting to sell it now. I actually cut this one myself. Next time I make a batch of this, I'll show you how I do it. So we're just going to put that beef in, just raw like that. And as you can see, this is so thin that you don't even need to cut it. It will just tear apart. It is that tender and beautiful. Okay, add your beef on top, and just add your hot stock over the whole top of this dish, and before you know it, that beef is going to cook through absolutely perfectly. It's going to be really nice and tender and really flavoursome. Really simple and easy to do dish. I'm taking you on a trip which is going to be about 4.5 minutes long. As I said, I've cooked this for about 5 hours in total, just nice and low and slow. Add that stock straight over the top, and before you know it, we're just got to add in our egg. I've just cut in half. Look at the beautiful colour on that. That goes in. I'm also going to add in a squeeze of lime juice, just like that. That little bit of acidity really helps with this. Some really finely shredded spring onion or scallion on top, and I'm going to top that off with a little bit of finely sliced chili. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. Hit the notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get Noma KP's Kingdom out there. A few basil leaves on top, and maybe a little bit of mint. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really nice and easy and a beautiful flavour type of soup like this, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've my Vietnamese beef noodle soup, and I will catch you next time. Bye!